Welcome to the AllCAD channel. In this video I would like to present you our course basic stitch types. I will explain what the term automatic stitch means in general and how to construct the most important automatic stitch types. We start with the step stitch or running stitch. Next we show how to design a Blattstitch or satin stitch. We continue with the edge stitch. Then we learn how to fill an area with a straight Geflecht stitch. How to design a leaf with a pointed Geflecht with random stitch lengths. And a curved Geflecht with a regular pattern based on a boundary. Next you will learn how to design single borer effects with various shapes. You will also learn how to design other effects like Zughol, dot, star dot and so on. We will teach you how to create and apply your own stitch type, and how to define and add sequence. Last but not least, you will learn how to create the 3D simulation of the design, and a stitch estimation for a price calculation.